let's see how you can easily build a pest control SMS AI agent to respond to customers' questions. So here I'm in a demo account and we have already connected a phone number from Twilio. So if you are wondering how to connect a phone number from Twilio, simply click on channels option over here and here choose SMS. Since we have already connected a phone number, it says disconnect, but otherwise you will see a connect option. So if you click on learn more, here we have a guide on how to grab a phone number on Twilio. So you have to put these details, account SID and host token, to connect it on our platform and select the phone number. That's it. So you can connect a phone number in a few seconds, and also you need to connect the API keys from the OpenAI platform if you are planning to use the OpenAI AI model. Otherwise, if you plan to use other AI models like Google Gemini, Cloud, XAI, DeepSeek, you have to add the API keys of those specific AI models. Again, it's a very simple process. Click on learn more if you're not sure how to grab the API keys. So here you have the guide where to grab the API keys, create a new secret key if you don't have one, and simply connect it on our platform. That's it. So once you have connected the phone number and also connected the OpenAI API keys, actually build any sort of AI agents to respond to customers' questions. So let me go to the AI hub over here, and here let me create a new agent, and let me say we want to build an AI agent for this Bug Shield Pro Pest Control company. So here let me name that agent right there and click on. Yeah, in the system prompt you can add all the information about that specific business, or you can even upload files and then select those files right here as well. For in this case, let me simply add all the information right here. So let me add that information. All right, all the information is right here, and let me say your helpful assistant to this particular company respond in just 1 to 2 seconds. That's enough. And if you click on this one, you have the option to select specific models as well. For example, if you want to use GPT-5, you can simply choose the GPT-5 option over here, and you can even set the temperature, tokens as you wish as well. Simple. All right, you will see this AI tool connect user to human. So what does it do? So it simply allows the user to transfer the conversation to the human agent, and they can jump in and talk with the customer as well automatically. So that's also active by default. Let me save this one over here. So here in the AI tools, you have the option to upload specific files and use those files for the AI agents. Otherwise, you can also create different functions to collect specific customer details as well. For example, request callback, and you can simply activate that particular function in the AI agent, which will collect a particular customer's name and phone number for the request callback. So there are other possibilities as well. For now, let me just see how this actually responds to users' questions. So let me make this particular agent as the default agent over here. All right, and make sure the default agent is switched on right here as well. So it's switched on as well. So now this can simply work on all these connected channels, including the SMS. So let's test how this actually works. So let me send this, what areas do you serve, and see how this actually works right there. How we receive the response, it says we serve the Greater Phoenix, including 25-mile radius, including these are the areas. They have current promotions for new customers, first month free of annual plans. So let me see, do you have any promotions for the new customers? So here let me ask this and see how this actually works. If you go to the unified inbox, you can also track the same conversation over there. Go to inbox, and here we receive the response. It says new customers get first month free on annual plans. We offer 15% off for these are the things. So here let me ask about the annual plan. So let me see. So here I made a typo. It's saying how much is for the annual bag, but it says do you want annual plan? And I send yes, annual plan, and it says with annual commitment and monthly billing, first month free. Basic is $759, premium is this one, ultimate difference is this one. Anyways, simply respond to users' questions over here. So what you can do is, if you send a message through this unified inbox, the bot will be posted. So here you currently in the old conversation folder, there are other folders as well, human and bot. So if you send a message to this particular contact, it will be moved to the human folder and the bot will be posted as well. Currently it says bot is active. So here let me send some random message to the user, and as you can see here, bot is active is gone. So here if you go to the human folder, you should track that particular conversation right there, and anytime you can actually transfer this conversation back to the bot as well by clicking on this specific button right there, transfer conversation to bot, and now you should see that particular conversation right there. And that's a quick video on how you can actually build SMS AI agent for your business. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.